Hi, my name's Amber and I'm a first year studying primary education at USW, and here's a few tips on how to manage classroom behaviour. One tip from my experience is counting down. That regulates them and puts them into a bit of a routine because they know they've got to be quiet and they've got to sit on the carpet nicely. If you know that they've all got a song they really love or a popular song that's going round in the charts, chuck that on. Once we put that on, the children know that they've got to sit down, they've got to be quiet, and they know then they're going into their next task. They'll love it, and they'll love you even more for putting their favourite song on, for sure. Another tip, every morning we choose an individual that has shown they've been really well behaved over the week and they deserve to be today's helper heddiw. So a way to kind of regulate their behaviour and make sure they're all sat quietly ready for the next task. The helper heddiw will go around shaking a tambourine just so then everyone knows, oh, we need to sit down quietly. So that's another really good one, and all the children love being a helper heddiw, so they really embrace the role. They absolutely love it.